If Google Calendar is showing an error 500, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the quickest ways to fix it step by step. This kind of error can happen because of a temporary server issue, a browser problem, bad cache data, or even an extension conflict. The good news is that most of the time you can get Calendar working again without doing anything complicated. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's fix it. First, try the simplest solution: wait and refresh. Close the Google Calendar tab completely, then wait a few minutes before opening it again. Sometimes an error 500 is just a temporary issue on Google's side, and giving it a little time is enough for everything to come back normally. After a few minutes, reopen Google Calendar and see if it loads properly. If the error is still there, the next thing to try is private mode. Open a new Incognito window if you're using Chrome, or a private browsing window if you're using another browser. Then go back to Google Calendar and sign in again if needed. This is a really useful test because private mode usually disables most extensions and uses a cleaner browsing session. If Calendar works in private mode, that tells you one of your browser extensions or saved browser settings may be causing the problem. Now let's clear your data. Over time, your browser can store old cache files and cookies that sometimes interfere with websites like Google Calendar. To fix that, go into your browser settings and clear your cache and cookies. Make sure you select the browsing data for the site if possible, then close the browser and open it again. After that, sign back into your Google account and try Google Calendar once more. This step often fixes strange loading issues because it forces the browser to pull fresh data instead of using old or broken files. If it still isn't working, test another browser. For example, if you usually use Chrome, try Firefox, Edge, or Safari. You can also try opening Google Calendar from the mobile app on your phone. This helps you find out whether the issue is with the calendar itself or just with your current browser. If it loads fine in another browser or on mobile, then the problem is most likely local to the original browser and not your Google account. So to quickly recap, if you get Google Calendar error 500, first wait and refresh, then try private mode, then clear your cache and cookies, and finally test another browser or the mobile app. One of these steps usually gets things working again. If the error continues across every device and browser, then it may be a temporary Google outage, so checking again later is a smart move. If this video helped you fix the problem, please hit like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.